Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can actually draw in Affinity. So just do what I say and do this whether you're using a laptop or your mobile phone or whatever device that you may be using that has Affinity in it. And so first you will have to create a new document. You will go ahead and click the file icon and then click new and then choose the canvas size and the DPI, and then next you will pick your persona, the designer, vector for shapes and pen work, or switch to pixel persona for raster painting. And after that you will use the pen tool for vector paths and then click to create nodes, to drag to curve, or choose brush tool in pixel persona for freehand strokes. Show stroke with controls in the context toolbar. Then you will organize with layers, create layers for sketch, linear, color, like, and reduce opacity for the sketch layer when inking, and finally export. Go to file, then click export, and then choose SVG for vector or ping for raster. And that's basically it. And by the way, quick tip, enable pressure sensitivity in preferences if using a tablet for natural line variation. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.